Welcome to St. Viator High School. While the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic prevents us from having our traditional open house, we're pleased that you've taken the time to view this brief series of videos to get acquainted with our exceptional community. Founded in 1961, St. Viator High School is a Catholic college preparatory community of learning called to provide religious formation and an academic program of excellence to young men and women. Guided by the Viatorian mission, all St. Viator graduates are equipped to discern who God wants them to be, discover what the world needs, and transform the communities they encounter. This is taught in the classroom by encouraging collaboration and innovation. Our current enrollment is 835 students, including 53 in our Reverend Mark R. Francis International Program. We were one of the few schools in the area that committed to in-person learning to start the school year. While we had to move briefly to e-learning, we have had success through the dedication of our entire community to explicit health and safety protocols. We've adapted in a variety of ways, including shifting from our traditional day consisting of 8 45-minute classes to a block schedule in which students attend only 4 classes each day, with each block lasting 75 minutes. In 2008 and 2014, St. Viator High School was selected as a National Blue Ribbon School by the U.S. Department of Education. St. Viator High School has also been recognized as an Apple Distinguished School from 2015 through 2022 for its ongoing commitment to innovation and the use of technology to enhance student learning, and was named a top STEM high school by Newsweek. The college preparatory curriculum at St. Viator, based on Catholic values, empowers students to become lifelong learners, making sound choices in a changing world. Students are encouraged to discover more about themselves and the world through rigorous, challenging, and thought-provoking coursework while preparing for the demands of college study. Recognized as an innovative institution grounded in tradition, St. Viator is continually presenting new opportunities for students to keep pace with developments in education and careers. An optional STEM designation, our recently introduced entrepreneurship program in our Clues Innovation Center, and our new counseling department space are just several examples of our vision. Among our student body, 77% participate in one of our 31 athletic teams, while 60% take part in one of our 45 clubs and organizations. The combination of academic rigor and active participation in athletics and activities makes St. Viator students highly attractive to leading universities and colleges. In most years, 100% of our students are accepted to 2- or 4-year colleges. In 2020, our students attained over $20 million in scholarship offers. The class of 2020 graduates are now attending universities in 27 states, including schools such as the University of Illinois, Johns Hopkins University, Marquette, New York University, St. Louis University, and Villanova, among others. I encourage you to work with our outstanding enrollment team to get to know us better. We think you'll see that St. Viator commits to the highest standards in integrity, effort, and behavior to best serve students, families, and society. Through a focus on excellence, dignity, and diligence, we proclaim Jesus Christ and His gospel and raise up communities where faith is lived, deepened, and celebrated. Welcome to St. Viator.